Hey, welcome back to CQR, guys. Once again, we're at Valley Motorsports in West Kelowna, BC, Canada, and it's a kiddie quad day. We're checking out a 2022 Kawasaki KFX 50 and a KFX 90. Some pretty neat machines. Stick around. So this cute little guy is a 49.5cc air-cooled 4-stroke single overhead cam, 2-valve per cylinder engine. Your bore and stroke is 39 by 41 millimeters. Your compression ratio is 10.8 to 1. It's carbureted. It's got CDI ignition. It's got an electric start with a kickstart backup. And you got forced lubrication, a wet sump. It's an automatic CVT transmission with a centrifugal clutch, and your final drive is chain driven. So it's got a double cradle steel frame. Your front suspension is a single A-arm with twin shocks, 71 millimeters or 2.8 inches of wheel travel. Your rear suspension is a swing arm with a single shock, 74 millimeter or 2.9 inches of travel. Your front tires are an AT, a 16 by 8.7. Your rear tires, again, AT, 16 by 8.7, are the same size. Your front brakes are dual mechanical drums. Your rear brake is a hydraulic disc. And it's got a mechanical drum for the parking brake. So your dimensions for this guy, your length, your width, and your height are going to be 1400 by 880 by 910 millimeters, or 55 by 34 by 35 inches. Your wheelbase is 965 millimeters or 38 inches. Your road clearance is 85 millimeters or 3.3 inches. Your seat height is 635 millimeters or 25 inches. Your curb mass is 111 kilograms or 245 pounds. Your fuel capacity is 5.5 liters. Your turning radius is 2.65 meters or 8.7 feet. And a 12-month warranty here from Kawasaki in Canada. Talk about a neat little machine to start off the little ones on. Again, it's Kawasaki, so you know it's got good quality. It's going to last forever. And definitely the chance of multiple people to learn for this thing in the family. Fully closed footwells, which is good. That'll be safer for them too, of course. And your typical controls, your throttle there, there's your brake, of course fuel tanks at the top, and kill switch and starter switch, another brake, there's your kickstart right there. Alrighty, so that's a 2022 Kawasaki KFX 50, and now we're going to go see its big brother, the 90. Be right back. Alrighty, so here's the 2022 Kawasaki KFX 90. So this guy is an 89cc air-cooled 4-stroke single overhead cam, 2-valve per cylinder single piston engine. It's got a 47 by 51 millimeter bore and stroke. Your compression is 10.0 to 1. It is carbureted as well. CDI ignition. It's electric start with backup kickstart. Forced lubrication wet sump, of course. Still an automatic transmission with centrifugal clutch. And of course, chain drive is your final drive. It'll have the same double cradle steel frame. Your front is going to have a single A-arm with twin shocks, 71 millimeters or 2.8 inches of wheel travel. Your rear is going to be a swing arm with a single shock, 74 millimeters or 2.9 inches of wheel travel. Your front tires are going to be 18 by 7/8. Rears are again 18 by 9/8. You'll have dual mechanical drums in the front for brakes, a hydraulic disc in the rear for brake, and again another mechanical drum for the parking brake. So the dimensions on this guy, your length, your width, and your height are going to be 1425 by 905 by 925 millimeters, or 56 by 35 by 36 inches. Your wheelbase is 965 millimeters, or 38 inches. Your road clearance is 100 millimeters, or 3.9 inches. Your seat height is 650 millimeters, or 25 inches. It's 121 kilograms, or 267 pounds. Again, 5.5 liters for fuel capacity. Your turning ratio or radius is going to be 2.65 meters, or 8.7 feet. And another 12-month warranty here in Canada through Kawasaki. It should be fun to teach the little ones how to ride these things. Again, you got your Kawasaki quality. You know this is going to be in the family for a long time. And it's small enough they can start, and you can teach them properly, no danger kind of a thing. This will be a great little unit. So come and check these ones out at Valley Motorsports in West Kelowna, BC, Canada, and let them know that Mark from Canadian Quarters Review sent you. They'll take great care of you. Well guys, thank you again for clicking on the video. So appreciate the fact that you're here. Your support is huge. It's been a huge help. The channel is growing. The channel is growing spectacular. This has been a lot of fun, and it's all because of you guys, so thank you so much, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks again for watching.